Hello YouTube, welcome to part 2. I want to center my little frame on the nozzle of the tank. See where I got the Sharpie marker there? On either side of the string, there. Down there got it clipped, see where I got a line. That's where I'm lucky I got this to square. It's eyeball square, it's good enough. Because that way when it sets on the frame, the nozzle points right towards the front of the little cart bracket thing it's mounted on. So I think you know what I mean. I think you get the idea. I never made up I think you know what I mean. That's just when I was a kid, but I think you got the idea. I might have come up with that. There you go. Let's get to work. That's just your little tip of the day. Them nice crunchy bearings. Nasty looking grease in them too. Anyway, you know where they came from. And we're done. The only thing we had to do here, we made a plastic washer that would go over the bushing. There is some play in here, which wasn't worried about that. So this head of this bolt don't grind into here. This is just a bolt that's drilled out with a Zerk, and then halfway down the bolt, there's a hole drilled this way, so you pump it full of grease. I'll never have to grease it. It's not going to get that many miles on it. Here, my bolt's a little too long. I put 2 extra nuts on that let me get my wrench in here better. I did snap a picture of that. My little rubber feeder on. And when we make a handle, it'll go on mounted on the top. It won't be mounted to this part. There's a little wobble here and there, but it's not going anywhere. This stuff's still sticky. Bed liner. That was my choice. So last over the years. So thanks for watching. I'll leave you a couple more pictures of it. If we do make a handle, we'll make another part to this video series.